How to apply a credit card on Lloyds Bank. The first things first is open up or access any preferred web browser that you want to use. And for you to be able to get here, just simply type in from your browser lloydsbank.com. Now, this is going to be the official site of Lloyds Bank, and I hope that you'll be seeing the same thing on your end. So if you are here, just scroll down a bit till you find our products area. Now, these are the features that Lloyd Banks offers. So since we're trying to apply for a credit card, we'll have to check our eligibility first. So just simply click on check your eligibility for you to be able to submit and sign in necessary forms for us to go ahead and have that credit card. And from here, the estimated times usually not longer than a minute or 5 minutes. Then we are able to see all the credits if you're eligible to apply for, and it will not affect your credit score. So just simply click on check now for us to get started. Then once you're here, all you have to do is to fill out these forms right here. So what's your title? So let's say for example, Mr. You'll have to input your name, middle name, last name, your birth date, your gender. These are only the general information that you'll be filling it out. So once everything is filled out and once Lloyds Bank's official site was actually determined that you're eligible to apply for a credit card, then you will be given out a credit card form. So it is usually takes up to 24 to 48 hours from Lloyds Bank and for you to get back so that you will be able to wait for the result if you will be getting that credit card or not. So that's it. That's how you apply for a credit card in Lloyds Bank.